welcome back to my channel. So I am here with another entrepreneur life video. Today I have some packages, just a couple of packages that I wanted to unbox on camera, show you guys my new inventory. My Valentine's Day sale went great, y'all. I sold out of all of my lashes except for one pair, and that was the goal behind that sale. I wanted to sell out so that I could come out with new lashes and new packaging, and I accomplished that. Currently, right now, I am having another sale. Right now, if you go on my website, you can get 2 necklaces for the price of 1. So I have a buy one, get one free sale. I'm gonna try to pull up my website right now so I can show you guys. This is the sale, buy one, get one free, no code needed. It's an automatic discount. All you have to do is click on jewelry, which is right here. And I have 3 different necklaces, the rose, birth year, and the zodiac. So I'm gonna show y'all a little example. I should probably be screen recording, but I don't feel like it right now. So it's an automatic discount. You don't have to put no code in. This is a really good deal. So make sure y'all head over to my website and check out my sale. Where's my knife? Oh, right here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna open my lashes first. These are, oh my gosh, y'all, these lashes are so cute. These are my samples. Wear these for a couple of weeks, see if I really like them, and I'm going to go back and order wholesale, then launch these lashes onto my website. But I can already tell y'all that I like these. I know how these lashes already are because this is the same vendor that I get all my lashes from, and the quality is amazing, and I really like these lashes. I already have names in mind because because I'm bringing back Country Girl and 843, which are my 25mm lashes. Those were the first 2 lashes to sell out. I decided to stick with a theme when it comes to names, right? So I came up with Folly, Palmetto, Carolina, and Southern Belle. Those are gonna be my new names for my new lashes. Here's the first style. I think that I'm gonna name this lash Folly. Here's the next lash. Y'all, my camera, oh my gosh, why do you want to keep focusing on me? Here we go. So this is the next lash. It's kind of spaced out a little bit. I think I want to name this one Palmetto. Doesn't it remind you of a palmetto tree? These are going to be my favorite. They're a little on the dramatic side. These are really cute. I think I want to name these Southern Belle. And then last but not least, we have a natural style. I think I want to name this one Carolina. Now, moving on to the big boy. Y'all, I am so nervous to open this box. This is my first time dealing with this vendor, and I pray and hope that these boxes look the way how I want them to. So in this box, these are my custom lash boxes. I finally spent that money and invested in some custom lash boxes. How in the hell? Okay, I think I'm gonna open it this way. Y'all, my heart is beating. Oh my gosh, it's beating. I get so nervous when I deal with different vendors. Oh, y'all. Okay, so this is the little preview that I see. Okay, for those that don't know, my business colors are white, black, and rose gold. So let me show y'all my first lash box. So this was my first lash box. It's a plain white and metallic rose gold box. And I went and got these logo stickers made by Sticker Mule, and I just put my logo sticker on there, and these were my lash boxes. I love my first lash boxes. They are so cute. Okay, this did the job. All right, even though it's not custom, this was cute. Just open these boxes. All right. I got 100. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. I love the box. However, my logo is crooked. Like, I know I'm not tripping. It looks crooked. It's not aligned perfectly. No. It's not too bad off, but I can tell. I'm not gonna trip about it because it's not way off. And I like the fact that my logo has texture to it. You can actually feel it. That's cool. Let me open it. Oh my gosh, it has the glitter inside. OMG. Y'all, I cannot contain myself. So here's the box, y'all. Y'all can kind of see how it's not too crooked, but can y'all tell what I'm talking about? Maybe y'all can't really see it. Because now when I look in the damn camera, it doesn't look like... I'm not tripping, y'all. It's a little off. It is. Trust me. In person, it's a little off. But for whatever reason on camera, it doesn't really look that way. But this is my logo. And still have that metallic rose gold. And then when you open it up, it has... Wait a minute. Hold the hell up, y'all. There's a mirror in the box. Like, I didn't even realize that these boxes was not supposed to have mirrors in them. When she sent me the sample, there was no mirror. Please excuse me. Okay, y'all, so this is the Lash box that I chose. That's why it's circled. She circled it. When I gave her the number, she was like, this one, and I was like, yes. And as y'all can see, there is no mirror on this box. And I asked for a mirror. So the fact that these boxes came with a mirror, it don't even matter that the logo is not aligned properly. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my website, stylisticbeauty.com, and make sure y'all shop my sale. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my new subscribers. I have received so many subscribers since I've been doing these entrepreneur life videos, so that lets me know that y'all like to see these kind of videos, and I appreciate y'all. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.